Open man. What's up YouTube? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine on this wonderful Saturday afternoon. Weather is kind of itching to rain, but it has not rained. But having said so, I think I'll let you know very quickly because I'm very excited at this point in time. Because yes, I'm going to upgrade my bike today, and I'll be shifting from my stock exhaust to a Akrapovic full system exhaust, and I'm very much excited about it. मैं पिछले 1-2 महीने से सोच रहा था कि I should straight away shift out of stock exhaust because of 2 reasons. One is that it would add the torque ratio because the weight would get reduced by 5 or 6 kgs. So that was the one reason that I wanted to move. And second, if your superbike is not sounding the way it should, you should immediately shift to it. So Akrapovic is renowned and trusted for Cbr650f. It comes with O2 sensor as well, so it is kind of safe. I previously thought of going for a side mounted exhaust. It is good for under clearance, the road clearance would improve, but we should shift to a performance exhaust which is advisable and approved. So after much thought, I have now decided, and today is the date that we'll be doing it. So yes guys, today in our channel we'll take you through to the upgrade of Cbr650f from stock exhaust to a performance exhaust from Akrapovic. So enjoy guys. Sounds sweet. It's kind of very bassy sound, but it is not that loud. थोड़ा loud तो मांगता है. Akrapovic डाल के मजा आने वाला है. I'm all excited. I cannot resist the fact that I'll be having my bike upgraded to a Akrapovic. Initially when I bought it, I never felt that I'll be changing it before 10,000 kilometer. There was definitely a plan to change it, but not before 10,000 kilometer. But couldn't resist it. ये change करने में one more person is responsible, and I rode his bike. His name is Ranjan. So he is the one who actually advised to move to Akrapovic, and yeah, I really loved it. By the way, that's Interceptor 650, and it is looking good. Superb. Anyway, so we'll reach there in I think by 4 o'clock. Right now it is 3:35. We plan to reach there by 4, and till then enjoy the stock exhaust, man. I'm about to reach now. I'll be crossing the Lal Bagh main gate now, and it should be hardly 5 minutes from here. Not even 5 minutes, it should be 2 minutes for you. If you want to reach, I can take you in like quick of a second. Do you want me to reach right away? So just close your eyes guys, we are there. का हाल चाल बा? Now we are here in Silicon Honda showroom. Ayush is all busy helping me out in getting this beast ready with the performance exhaust. Bike is all cooled up now, and we'll be rolling out with opening the fender and all those stuff that needs to be done. Additional important thing is that we'll also get the MRA windscreen and BMC filter. Cheers to Ayush for providing me with good discounts. He can do more, but Ayush? Okay, so you would also see the Cbr650 first time without the fender on my channel. Watch it. open man. How it looks. It's kind of very strange looking bike at this point in time without the fairing. This is the O2 sensor, right?
Awesome.
This is the sensor. What is the weight of this?
10 kg.
Around 10 kgs weight. Fairings are all kept very safe. This is the packing that are required to be put up. This is not there in the stock, or it is there in the stock? Huh? Okay, the stocks ones are like flatter ones, is it? Oh, the stock is flat. See? And this is for the Acra. It is kind of round in shape. See. क्या मज़ा आ रहा है यार, मैं तो इंतज़ार ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि जल्दी से जल्दी ये काम हो, उसके से निकलूँ मैं। ये देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, 4-5 kg भी कम हो गया है। It is advisable that once you are changing the exhaust to the performance one, you should also get your air filter upgraded as well. So this is the filter that I'll be upgrading to. This is from BMC, prescribed only for Cbr650f. Good quality product, and they are now opening up the tank to get this fitted out. Excellent one. This is the stock filter. The bike has done around 3,000 kilometers, and this is the state of the stock filter. Kind of okay. Akrapovic लग चुका है. Now first time बाइक स्टार्ट होने जा रही है विद Akrapovic फुल सिस्टम एग्जॉस्ट. चलो भाई स्टार्ट करो. आवाज़ आ रही है. इतनी बारिश में एक्रा लगाने के बाद निकलने का मन तो नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर वी प्लानिंग नाउ? क्या करना है फिर? गाड़ी छोड़ दें?
It's better. I advise you to leave it today and we'll take it tomorrow sometime in the afternoon.
So इतने मेहनत करने के बाद एक्रा लगाओ और ये करो और बाइक यहाँ छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So I think everything is set. We have got the bike ready, but आज नहीं, कल बोलना है. So see you tomorrow, guys. Next day, Sunday. Bright and sunny, weather is fine. Back at the Silicon Honda showroom. Ayush has come here. Thanks to Ayush. Ayush, thank you for opening the showroom and service center on Sunday. He was busy doing his work and I have disturbed him for the day. But bike is all ready. Thank you Ayush for coming. Okay. So here it is guys, Cbr650f is all updated with Akrapovic full system exhaust. Listen to this. Superb man! Amazing! BMC filter along with Acra is doing a great job. I am regretting the fact that why I was riding it for last 4-5 months without an Acra. You should change it guys. So this was the vlog I wanted to share with you all guys. So as they say, everything is for a reason, and this thing that I've done is to enjoy life, live the life the way I want to be, and try to not to miss anything which I would regret later. So with this word, I think I'll close this vlog for today, and hope to have crunching miles on this Cbr650f in future. And with your support I would do wonders with this. And yeah, of course, one more thing is that this doesn't mean that I have to be very casual in my riding approach. That is one thing I need to take care, and that is the added responsibility that I have now. So with all things said and done, thank you for all the support. If you have liked the content, please do like it, comment on it, and please do subscribe. So until next time, bye bye.